Welcome to the Mercedes Swap Shop. I'm Josh, the owner and the founder. I am here for all of your Mercedes electronic needs. Remember to like, follow, share, subscribe. Go follow me on Facebook. I had to make a new one. The old one got taken down for some reason. Go like me on Instagram. Follow everything there. I'm on TikTok. I'm on YouTube. Just remember to keep up to date with everything that we're doing. If you want to see swaps, you want to see what kind of electronics we program, you need new keys, you're told that it's more expensive to do the swap than it would be to just go buy the car or whatever. A lot of that has changed over the years, so feel free to hit me up. I do fully functional plug and play. Therefore, there's nothing you have to do on your end except send me a few things, you get it back, plug it all together, do your swap. I'll help guide you through the swap. You turn that key, it'll start right up and you're good to go. So don't hesitate to contact me with questions. There's a lot of stuff that we can do and it may not all be out there online. So hit me up and let's do it. All right, back at it again. So I needed to test fit everything, and we ran across that problem where I had to drill out a hole for the fuel rail to mount. So I needed to go back, and you got to put these little clips on. So I wanted to go over that real quick. I'm sure some people thought I forgot, but I was trying to make sure I could like fit everything properly. And then the idea is to go back, was to go back and then do this. So, and the whole point of this is it puts the injector at the right height so that it's, going into the fuel rail at the correct spot. So, that's all we're doing right now. There's little grooves on the injector for this diam to mount. So you just kind of line up the little lines on the injector. Oh, too far. And then you just kind of like slide the clip over and it'll hold it at that spot. Oh. The engine's getting there. We're just about ready to put it in. Kind of saved the most expensive parts for last, so working on a couple more things. Need a fuel pump and a clutch, and then we're ready to go, essentially. I mean, there's little things I'm gonna have to buy along the way, I'm sure. So nice doing this when the rail is out. But now we gotta put it in with all of this. Alright, now this is the fun part. So, gotta get this harness out of the way. Everything's still pretty clean, so no worries there. Of course, I got like hoses in the way now though, because I connected everything to see how it's gonna look, get an idea of, I got my air boxes in, so I wanted to take some pictures of everything all together. Yeah, I had a couple people already asking me like why am I keeping all the vacuum lines, and you know, because if you're gonna go through a build this deep, why wouldn't you just eliminate a lot of that stuff? And the answer is I'm in California, so I don't have a choice. So you want these pressed in like so, and then we're gonna put the one we already put in here, back in here, and it should fit pretty well. And we'll torque it down a little more than we did last time. All in all, it's going smooth so far. Slow, I know. I just got so many projects. We're getting into swap season, so everyone's doing all their swaps. I gotta help them get that stuff done, and been working on some pretty cool projects. Figured out how to do S-Class TCUs, so that was pretty cool. We can make the tunes for those and still keep the drive authorization, which was a lot harder than I expected it to be, but we're set now. So comfort, sport, manual agility, custom agility and sport. It's not an unlock. We're not just adding the mode, and you know, and it doesn't really do anything. Like agility and sport is completely custom from the ground up. Or ours is. It's not the same as anybody else's. So yeah, that one we're gonna cinch it up a little tighter. And I guess we'll start easy and work our way to the harder ones. So it all kind of lines up, you know, you'll know which one's which because of where it's at on the harness. You want to listen for a click, and that's how you know you got it on properly. And yeah, a lot of this stuff I'm gonna figure out how to clean up later. This side's a little bit harder. This one's gonna be the hardest. The second hardest, right behind 8. Makes it a lot easier with these harness extensions, though. That's for sure. I really like the 550s. I'm actually at this point debating if I'm gonna even do the 82mm throttle body. The more people I work with, the more we figure out that there's units that aren't working right off the bat, you know, more and more. So it seems to be like 6 out of 10 work, which aren't great odds. It's not horrible, but I have like 1 chance to pass smog. So I'm wondering if I just keep the 74 on for the smog rep, because if it's sitting there chittering and chattering, and you know, it's a 2-hour inspection, so they're not going to be happy about that. But yeah, so that went pretty smooth. I mean, now it's just a matter of getting an idea of how I'm going to clean this all up. I've got to figure out how exactly I'm going to want to do it once everything is on. Yeah, I think today I'm going to show you guys how to strip and paint the surge tanks. And still need to get this part. I should just order that real quick so I can stop worrying about it. All right. Remember to like, follow, subscribe, everything the Mercedes Swap Shop. I'm on Instagram. I'm working on getting my Facebook back. It was unpublished for some reason. Check me out on TikTok. Check out my personal page if need be. But make sure you like this video, subscribe. We're gonna keep going with everything on this swap, 55K, and we got some more videos to come with a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'll see you guys next time.